Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you the OnePlus and Razer Special Edition gift box. And as we know, OnePlus, they focus on high-end smartphones, and also they do good smartphone electronic products in the market. And also Razer, this brand is very famous in the world, and also provides some electronic products like the PC accessories. Also they did gaming phones in the market. And today I'm going to show you what's inside this co-branded gift edition box. And as we can see, this time the box, they redesigned the box, and this time the OnePlus, they provide the S-series gaming series smartphone inside this box, and also the Razer, they provide the gaming finger sleeves inside this box, and also the OnePlus, they provide the gaming phone coolers inside the box. And so on today's video we will talk what's inside this box, and we will have a very quick unboxing video about this gift box. So first, about the box, as we can see, it's a very unique and very high-end design. The color of the box is pure black, and in the front of the box we can find the logo names, the OnePlus and Razer. Also here we get the logo name here, OnePlus and Razer. And the most attractive part is here. There's a big S, and the transparent S is the series name of OnePlus. So now let's open it, and after we open it, we can find they use the special and customized design box, and it's a special way to open. And after we open it, we can see these transparent surroundings. The frames of the books are integrated with RGB light, green, blue, and red. So this is very gaming, very cool. And it's the main features about these books, because it's really it's so unique. And after we open the books, now we can find there's here it's a gaming finger sleeve from Razer, and this logo Razer. And as we can see, they provide two pieces pack, and also they provide some main features of this finger sleeve. It's smooth, high sensitivity fabric, low weight and breathable, and also wide compatibility and universal fit. So let's open it and check what's inside this box. Okay, so now we open it, and we got the gaming finger sleeves. So it's very easy to use. We just need to wear this on our fingers, and then we use this to control and to touch the screen and to control games. And before, I think the most advantage of this product is they can do better on the touch, because it can be more high sensitivity than our fingers. So it can be more sensitive compared to our fingers. So this is the finger sleeves from Razer. And then next, I'm going to show you the 18 watts OnePlus 18 watt freezing point phone cooler. And also, let's open it as well and let's check what's inside this box. So It's very easy to open it, and then after we open it, we can find there's a cable here, a white cable, Type C to USB cable, also here. Whoa, this is a very cool gaming cooler. We can see the OnePlus slogan is printed on the finger on this cooler. Never settle. Also here, find some information here. For the phone cooler to restart normally, please make sure both sides of the clamp are opened. So we need to open it like this, then use this to fix on your back panel of the smartphone, and then use the cable to connect the phone cooler to your smartphone, so it will continue to bring the heat from the smartphone. So this is very cool, and the colors they use the red and black color, the classical color of OnePlus. So this is this one, the 18 watt. So the 18 watt freezing point phone cooler, they call it. And we can see the main features here is super cooling. Yes, it's super cooling compared to the normal product, because it provides more size on the cooling, and also it can be suitable for different devices. Whole smart control. It means when you fix this on your back panel of your smartphone, this fan will automatically start into cooling your smartphone. And also it also provide 3 great, yes, 1, 2, as we can see, 1, 2, 3. So 3 great cooling mode for us to choose. Okay, so this is about the cooling foam, and also the last one. Okay, well, with the gaming device S. Okay, next, after we opened the big gift box from Reader and OnePlus, and then the last one is the OnePlus S Pro 5G, and we will check what's inside this box, and we will talk on the specification about this latest model from OnePlus. As we can see, both the cooling, the phone cooler and the box, the smartphone box, they use the classical OnePlus color, the red and black, and also this box also is very attractive. Use the classical red color. I really like this color. And okay, after we open it, we get another small package. Okay, this is the SIM card pin and instructions, warranty card, and also they provided the OnePlus classical stickers for users. We can use this to stick it to our computer or smartphones or other objects. Okay, so this is the stuff inside this small package, and then let's put it aside. Then okay, the smartphone is here. This is a smartphone. Before we check smartphone, let's check the other accessories on the smartphone. So here on the smartphone, we got okay. So this is a Type C to Type C charger, and this is okay. This is a 160 watts amazing fast charger. It means this charger can support maximum to 160 watt fast charging speed, charging efficiency, and for this smartphone, the OnePlus S Pro 5G. This smartphone is supported 150 watt cable fast charging. So this is about the charger, and also here they provide a steel cam, not a transparent case, but a case that looks more high-end and touch more comfortable than the transparent case. So this is a soft, not plastic, I think it's silken case. And also here they use the classical OnePlus Red cable as well. It's a I think, yes, we can see more clearly here. It's a Type-C to Type-C cable. Yes, Type-C to Type-C cable. So these cables got very good qualities, and actually, to be frank, I like the red color cable from OnePlus. So this is the main stuff inside these books. And the last, let's check the smartphone. Okay, so here you can see the smartphone is in front of us, and it's protected by a paper, not plastic, but a paper. Okay, here is the smartphone. Let's put it aside as well. Okay, whoa! Let's peel off this mark. Okay, so now the smartphone is in front of us. Whoa, so this is the latest OnePlus S Pro 5G. Okay, we will talk on this phone from several aspects. First design, then processor, then battery, screen, camera. So first about design. The first impression of this is they provide a very low-key design, and they use a special material and special design on the back panel. Also, for the camera zone, they have a very unique design for the camera zone here. It's a bit similar to the Samsung's design. Yeah. For the material, it's not like. Yes, it's very soft, and when you touch it, you can feel in the back panel is not flat, but have some lines. Actually, I cannot tell what's its materials, but what's name of the materials, but it looks very high end and low key, and also when you exposure to the sunshine in this angle, we can find some shining parts inside this material. So it's very cool, and it's not easy to left our fingerprint on it. And also the next part about design here, the camera zone is here, is like a square, and the camera zone is our triple rear camera system with also here dual color LED flashlight. So it's have a symmetrical balanced design, but this part, the camera zone is extend to the frame. Now the part is shining. They use a shining material here, so it looks more attractive when you use this to take pictures and shooting videos. And also the frame, they use the mantle frame and shining mantle frame. Also they use the punch hole camera system, front camera as well. And so this is about yes, not curved screen. So this is the many content about the design part. And then about the processor. This time this phone they use the latest Snapdragon 8 Generation 1 Snapdragon 8 Plus Generation 1 processor, and it supports the fully broad LPDDR5 and super frequency UFS 3.1. RAM and ROM is 12 GB RAM plus 256 ROM. And also this time for the screen they provide a 6.7 inch 1080p resolution screen, and this screen is support a 120 Hz refresh rate, and is also OLED screen. and I can wake up the smartphone to check the quality of the screen and the display performance as well later. And also about the camera, as we can see, it's a triple camera system. The main one is 50 megapixel IMX Sony 766 main camera. It supports OIS, and also the other two cameras is 80 megapixel wide angle and 2 megapixel macro lens. Note of the front one is have a 60 megapixel front camera. So for the camera, yeah, I can say it's not the best, but it keeps the pace. It's the position of this phone is have a very good specification on the smartphone, on the camera part, and I'm sure it can provide very good front and real camera shooting experience for us. Okay, so this is about the camera, and also about the battery. For this one, I already told you support 150 watt fast charging, and also the battery is have 4800 batteries. As we can see, this phone is not so thick. It's very thin, so it can get very good handling and comfortable holding experience. The screen is 6.7, so it's not so big, and when you hand it on your hand, you can feel it very comfortable. And okay, next let's show you. Yes, the screen part. Yes. Okay, now we enter the OS, and now is the front page, home page of this phone, the OnePlus S Pro. So you can see the wallpaper. This phone also use the black. And yes, okay, now when we got the smartphone, we can find it's a very simple design on the UI, and also we lock it and then we unlock it, we can get a very cool dynamic 3D wallpaper effect. So it's so cool. Yes, and also I can show you the device information, this phone information on the setting part: processor, model name, OS, RAM, ROM, Android version. Yes, storage. Whoa, let's go to the back panel. It's so cool. Yes, so this is very quick and very simple unboxing video on this special gift box from Razer and OnePlus. And this is the last part, the unbox of the OnePlus S Pro 5G smartphone. Thanks for watching. Let's stay tuned, waiting for more cool gadgets from here. Bye bye.